Question 42. Consider a parallel flow heat exchanger with area AP and a counter flow heat exchanger with area AC. In both the heat exchangers, the hot stream flowing at 1 kg per second cools from 80 degree to 50 degree. For the cold stream in both the heat exchanger, the flow rate and the inlet temperature are 2 kg per second and 10 degrees respectively. The hot and cold stream in both the heat exchangers are of the same fluid. Also, both the heat exchangers have the same overall heat transfer coefficient. The ratio of AC by AP is. In this question, basically we have to compare the two heat exchangers given and find the ratio of areas. So first we have to find the temperature of the cold water at outlet. So let's equate the mass into delta T. So basically 1 into Cp into 80 minus 50 will be equal to 2 into Cp into Tc out minus 10. It is given that both are same fluid, so Cp will get cancelled. It will be 30 by 2 is equal to Tc out minus 10. So Tc out will be equal to 15 minus plus 10, that is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. So Tc out is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Now let's draw graph for both of them, parallel flow and counter flow. For parallel, so this is inlet, so hot water inlet is at 80 degree and its outlet is at 50 degrees, and cold water's inlet is at 10 degrees and outlet at 25 degrees. So and for counter flow, hot water will be here at 80 degrees and here at 50 degrees, and cold water will be here at 10 degrees and here at 25 degrees for counter flow. Now we will find del LMTD for both of them. LMTD for parallel will be equal to 70, that is 80 minus 10 minus 50 minus 25, it will be 25 upon ln 70 by 25, that will be equal to 43.705, and LMTD for counter flow will be equal to, say, 80 minus 25, that will be equal to 55 minus 40 divided by ln 55 by 40, that is equal to 47.102. Now we have to find AC by AP, and it is given that overall heat transfer coefficient for both of them is equal. So equating Q, we will get AC into U into AC into delta into LMTD of counter flow will be equal to U into AP into LMTD of parallel flow. So you have to find AC by AP, that will be equal to LMTD of parallel by LMTD of counter. So LMTD of parallel is 43.705 divided by 47.102. So the answer comes out to be 0.9278.